Hello everyone, I am from ZENE Bricks. Let me show you today, this is a new LEGO 2020 release. Number 42222 Bugatti. Look at the packaging box first. It's still the same workmanship. I'll give those parameter diagrams later. I have finished the car. It's pretty good at it. It exceeded my expectations. The mosaic drawings are not available on the official website yet. You have to wait until January 1st, 2020 to see it. A total of 771 parts are said to be on the official website. Height 8, length 29, width 13. It's about the size of 2 slabs. Here is the manual. There is a free one in it. This is the exchange code for the car in the game. Looks like a drawing. It's still pretty good to stick up. It's not that hard to stick to. The instructions are also very detailed and clear. LEGO workmanship. Okay. Now let's take a look at the details of this car with ZENE Bricks. What about the overall building process? Not too difficult. Well, it feels good too. But some places, uppers like this still need to be taken a closer look. Not so easy. Well, let's take a look at the function. The hood of this car can be opened. And this door opens. This is a bit of a surprise, because I used to play with those LEGO cars. It's basically too simply. But this car's functions and playability is higher. Then this engine back cover. He has 2 of these latches fixed. I don't know why LEGO designed it. Does LEGO want us to open the back cover? Is there a W16 engine inside? 16 cylinders can move with the rear wheel differential. The effect is still good. These are the kind of new parts that are only available recently. And this is also convenient for ZENE Bricks to modify later, because it has a differential. Is this a straight axis input? So put an L motor here. And then we take these apart. Put in a 4-speed motor. Basically, it's okay. Overall, the experience of building together still exceeded my expectations, because the car it came out of a few years ago was too simple. The appearance can also be seen by the eyes. Not too many gaps. It's the front of the car and this big orange. I don't know how it looks a little awkward. It just feels strong when held as a whole. Very suitable for us. The direction is on it and there is a knob to turn it. Then you can go back and forth. The car is about to move in this situation. What about the force components? ZENE Bricks team is also working on drawings and manual, then there will also be video tutorials. You can follow us about it. What questions do you need to ask? You can type it out in the comment area. We will reply to you one by one.